Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we'll be doing the next lesson for Rubik's Cube. Today's topic is to cover the basic notations. You can look at this sheet. In Rubik's Cube we have specific notations. R means right up. R means right up. This is called R prime. R prime means right down. Right down. This is U. So U is generally taken for upper layer. Upper, backward. Upper, backward. U prime, upper, forward. U prime means upper, forward. We'll move the upper layer forward direction. This is F. F is used for front layer. Front clockwise is called F. F prime, front anti-clockwise is called F prime.